Hello, welcome to Easy English. Today I have a challenge to give you 50 phrases in under 10 minutes to help you sound like a native. No props. No problem. Let's go. So when making this challenge, I wanted to make you a quick video and not just waffle on. Talk a lot without giving any useful information. About this subject, as there's many phrases you can use in many circumstances and long boring videos are not my cup of tea. Something you don't like or aren't interested in. Disclaimer, when researching this topic, I must admit I did nick a few phrases. An alternative to stolen. But hopefully, you'll still think this video's mint. Great! So, let's say you're out with some locals and having a chinwag, a conversation, and you want to show off your newly learned phrases and make some new mates. Friends! You could splash out, spend lots of money, and offer to take them out for a pint, a beer or a drink. Be careful though, drinking in the UK isn't cheap and could cost you a bomb. A lot of money. Hopefully, your night out isn't a shambles, a disaster, and you end up going on a fun bender, a wild drinking spree. Combined with some decent pub grub, pub food, and then Bob's your uncle. Ta-da! You've made your first English mates. Cheers! Good health or good wishes. Your new UK mates could possibly be a bit cheeky, rude, but in an amusing way. They could be a bit dim, stupid, maybe full of beans, to have lots of energy and enthusiasm, possibly gobby, loud and interruptive, but most probably they'll be the bee's knees, the best. Before I go on, I'd just like to twist your arm, pressure you into doing something, into checking out our Patreon page linked below. You'll find the full Monty of learning exercises, everything necessary. You'll be gobsmacked, amazed at all the options you'll have to learn along with our videos. We offer a bog standard, basic, transcript for all our videos, a savvy, intelligent, vocabulary list to help with the more difficult words, and a handful, a manageable quantity, of great video content. So don't faff about, waste time, and be a wally, an idiot. Become an Easy English member now. You'd be gutted, upset, to miss out. Moving on. Next subject. You can even learn these phrases at work, provided your schedule's not chock-a-block, extremely full. If you've got an assignment and a deadline soon, you could decide to do a bodge job, a job that's completed quickly and carelessly, or wing it, to do something without preparing for it, whilst learning these phrases. Or, when the deadline is due, just skive off work. Avoid work by leaving early or pretending to be ill. You could even use these phrases on your break when you're Hank Marvin, starving, or when you fancy a fag, a cigarette. Then you can whinge, complain about how your boss is annoying and overly posh, upper class, or how your colleague is well fit, attractive, but a few sandwiches short of a picnic, mad. You'll probably learn these phrases on your days off too, when the weather is minging, gross. There's bugger all to do, nothing. Apart from fanny about, waste time, and become a curtain twitcher, a nosy person who watches all their neighbours. So, thanks for having a butcher's at this video. Butcher's hook, look. I've got 5 more to go, so I'm not going to bottle it. Quit. I think most of these phrases are a doddle to learn. Simple. I just hope you won't take the mickey, make fun, out of my attempt to crowbar, to force, in all 50 phrases, because overall, I'm impressed in my efforts, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra! Bye! 3, 2, 1. A wild drinking spree. 3, 2, 1. Attractive. 1. Attractive. Attractive? Attractive.